Em sembla una molt bona proposta. De fet, vaig dir que sí de seguida i al contrari vaig estar contenta que penséssiu en mi. A part la llista de gent que ho ha escollit, crec que gent que ve ganes d'anar-hi i d'escoltar-ho, i és una iniciativa que està molt bé perquè aquí potser a vegades fa una mica de falta d'estar en contacte amb els escriptors que al final són molt propers aquí, però a vegades tampoc igual la gent no sap com interactuar amb ells i crec que és una molt bona iniciativa.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, baby, I'm trying.
Boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard.
Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. Lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. And so I'm sailing through the sea to an island where we'll meet. You'll hear the music, feel the air. I'll put a flag